Stuck signing up for Webex? Tired of getting lost in all those options and permission steps? I will show you the fastest way to create your account in under 2 minutes. No confusion, no dead ends. Just a straight path to getting set up. So here is the plan. First, open your browser and head to the official Webex site. Then follow along with me step by step to get your account ready. All right, let us jump in. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser. It does not matter if you use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Then type in the address for the official Webex website. When the page loads, look up to the top right corner. You will see a button that says, "Sign up, it's free." Click that. Now, give it just a moment for the sign up page to load. While that happens, here is something I have tested many times. You have a few different ways to create your account. You can use Google, Apple, Microsoft, or just type in your email address. For this walkthrough, I recommend the smoothest route. Click the button that says Continue with Google. A new window will pop up, asking you to choose which Google account you want to use. Select the one you plan to use for work or meetings. Then click Continue to grant Webex permission to access your basic Google account info. This is standard stuff. They just need your name and email address to set things up. Now wait for the Create Your Account page to load. You will see your full name auto-filled here. Take a second to review it or edit it if needed. Make sure it is how you want colleagues and clients to see you. When it looks good, click Next. And here is the really important part. Give it a moment while Webex creates your account in the background. This usually happens pretty fast. When the Welcome to Webex page appears, you have a choice. You can click Go to the web app instead to keep using Webex right inside your browser, or you can select Download Webex and set up your account in the User Hub if you prefer to install the desktop app. In my experience, the web app is great for getting started immediately, so I will click that. Now, wait just a few seconds for the web app to load. And there you have it. Your Webex account is now fully ready to use. You can start or join meetings right away, schedule meetings, send messages, create teams, use whiteboards, access all the other collaboration features Webex offers. So that is really all there is to it, from confusion about signing up to having a fully functional account ready for meetings and collaboration. Thanks for following along, and happy connecting.